Hey, hello there you guys, me TechnoRays here. Welcome back to a new video on this channel. So guys, in this video, I will be telling you about an app that you can use to edit your photos, whether it be uploaded on Instagram, Facebook or any other social media platform that you're using. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe our channel, and if you haven't liked the video, do like the video and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, before talking about the app, let me show you some samples of the photos real quick that I've edited with this app. So guys, these are the photos that I've edited, so let's get started. Talking about the app, the name of the app is Lightroom. As you can clearly see, this app is available on Play Store and iOS both devices. So in this app, you get the features like LR camera, then you can edit the photos as well. Here you can see LR camera. Then the photo editor is right there. You have to select a photo if you want to edit any of the photos, such as like I'm gonna edit this photo. As you can clearly see, so here I'm gonna decrease the exposure more, increase the contrast, highlights must be decreased, then shadows is decreased by its own. You can decrease the temperature if you want to give it a cool winter vibe, and you can increase the temperature to give it a kind of warm vibe. As you can clearly see, I'm gonna decrease the temperature right there. So I'm gonna increase the hue of the green so that it gives it a greenish look like that. You can decrease the hue to give it kind of spring vibe, as you can clearly see. So in this app you get the features like selective tool, healing tool, crop tool. Then you get to see profiles, auto editing, light, color, effects, details, optics, geometry, presets and reset as well. You can directly save this file to your camera roll by clicking on the option right there. Then you can save to camera roll maximum available. Then the photo will render. This may take a moment. So now the photo has been saved. So guys, that was all from my side. I'm TechnoRays. So guys, if you want a full video, a full tutorial on how to edit the photos through Lightroom app, write in the comment section. I will make the video for you guys only. So that was all from my side. It's me TechnoRays signing off from this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay cool. Goodbye.